Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with SilynthiaC Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as our freebie down below so you can grab it if you like. Also, for the month of December, I did join a collaboration of ladies where we are supporting each other's YouTube channels, and I will link them as well. I'm really working on my savings. I did make some money from my side hustles, so that's why I'm recording and trying to get this money into my savings challenges. I still am trying to reach goals at this point. By filming ahead, I should be able to reach some more of those goals, but we'll see how things turn out for me. Let's go ahead and count up what we're stuffing. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 bucks what we're stuffing today. And we are actually going to mix in some of these ones with these twos because I have more twos, which is strange because that usually doesn't happen. But what I wanted to do was I have 6 savings challenges here that are all freebies, and I will go over where I got these savings challenges from as well as link them down below. But what I wanted to do was actually roll the dice to see which envelope would be getting money, and I'm going to grab 2 bills no matter what comes up. 2 bills is going into number 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so we're grabbing 2 bills. Okay, 6, and we're grabbing, oh, let's make sure that was 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 2 bills. 2. All right, 1, 2. Yay! Oh, got 2 bills there. Okay, 5. 5, 5, 5 is that, okay, I think 5 is this piggy. 6, 5, okay. 1, 2. Okay, so this savings challenge only needed $4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we roll a 5, we will go ahead and put that into our holiday, which is number 3. So 5 will substitute 3 because that is the next one, the one that I'm working on that is going to take me the longest. 2. All right, 1, 2. Can we get some love on 1? Let's see. Nope, 2. All right, so that's it. That went pretty quickly, but I wanted to go ahead and get my savings challenges stuffed again because I did have the funds to do another video. I figured I better go ahead and take care of it. This savings challenge, the Love and Light, is from Neen's Budget. I will link her down below. We're not putting anything today, but it does have 3 bucks in this savings challenge. All right, next up, savings challenge is from Buttercup Budgets. And I'll link her as well. We needed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Huh. 2, 3, no, 2, 4, 5. Okay, so we have more money. We have 5 bucks to complete this savings challenge. Fantastic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm so glad that I decided to record this because getting another savings challenge completed is so awesome. Okay, so let's count this up. Buttercup Budgets saved me 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, $16, which is fantastic. 16 bucks. Yay, go us. All right. We need to add in another savings challenge, which I think I'm going to add in this Peace of Mind savings. It should save me $20. It's from Budgeting BZ. I will link her down below. It hasn't gotten anything yet, but we still have an opportunity to get some cash in there. So we have $3 going into our holiday savings challenge from SilynthiaC Budget Creations. This was a freebie that we launched for people to enjoy. Adding 3 bucks. 1, 2, 3. Okay. This one needs to be condensed, but we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, $20. Yes. Okay. Yeah, we're going to keep working on that savings challenge. That one is gonna, like I said, it's gonna be a while, but that's okay. I do need to condense it, so when I get paid again, I need to come back and see about that one. All right, and this savings challenge, we're not adding anything, but oh, let me tell you who it's from. Let's pull it out. This one's from Savings with Tracy. It's my lovely little Zen frog. Not getting anything yet. This one, I do have an IOU, $2. I remembered I had an IOU. I'm going to go ahead and put this $2 in this IOU and mark this so it's paid. 1, 2. Oh, I was like, I thought I had an IOU, but I didn't see it when I was scrolling through there. All right, so this one should have $6. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, awesome. All right, so my IOU is paid. And that was another reason I wanted to roll the dice, so I didn't have another IOU, because those are not very much fun. But we have $4 going into my little Oink a Little Save a Bunch from Brandy Janae. 4 more dollars. 1, 2, 3, 4, which is fantastic. So exciting to see this. You know, I was trying to get these into January, but that's okay because the sooner I save, the faster I can hit some goals. So we have 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. $9. Another savings challenge completed. So awesome. All right, and now let's grab, let's just grab this one here. This one is from SilynthiaC Budget Creations. It was a freebie that we had. I believe this one was back to school in September. And we'll go ahead and add this one into rotation. Then we have $4 going into our Harmony Savings Challenge. This was a savings challenge from October, which is a freebie from SilynthiaC Budget Creations. And let's do orange. $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yay! All right, so we have $1 remaining. What should we do to figure out which envelope is going to get this dollar? Because none of them are close enough to, should we put some in, let's just put it in Needs Budget because that one didn't get any love, although it should have. Let's put it there. Let's just add it there. We're just going to go ahead and allocate this dollar to Needs Budgets. Love and Light. Now we have 2, 3, 4 $4. Yay! Okay, so these savings challenges, I'm not quite certain what I'm going to do with them yet, but I do want to put them in the back of my binder because the savings challenges in the front are the ones I'm going to be doing. So let's go ahead and take a peek one more time of Brandy Janae's savings challenge, and then Buttercup Budgets, which I used a bunch of hers, well, 3 of hers in the month of December because she had a set that turned out perfect for me. Anyway, we're going to go ahead and set that back there. When I'm ready to reallocate these funds, I will definitely let you know what my plan is at a later date. I appreciate each and every one of you for stopping back by. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.